Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the Scikit-Learn library on Linux. To install any Python library or package we need pip. Let us first download and install the current Python and pip version. Then we will install the Scikit-Learn library. Let's start. Click Show Applications. Type Terminal and open it. On the terminal you need to type the command sudo apt install python 3 because the current version is python 3. Press enter. Enter the password of the root. Here you can see we successfully installed it. Now type the command sudo apt install python 3 -pip. This will install pip also. Pip is used to download, install and manage Python packages. So this is also important. Press enter. Why press enter? Guys, we successfully installed the current Python and pip version. Now let us verify the installations and install the Scikit-Learn library. So guys, go to Show Applications. Here in type Terminal. Click on it to open. Now herein type the command python 3 space -- version to verify the current Python version installation. The version is visible, that means we successfully installed it. Do the same for pip 3 space -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed pip also. Now type the command pip 3 space install space scikit-learn pip 3 space install space scikit-learn to install the Scikit-Learn Python library. Press enter. So guys, we successfully installed the Scikit-Learn library. Thank you for watching the video.